Welcome to Egyptian Mysteries of the Divine Feminine, an 8-week journey of transformation with Isis, Hathor, Sekhmet, and Ma'at. I'm so excited to welcome you on this journey down the Nile as we explore ancient temple sites through guided meditations and slideshows. Within the course, you will be held within the container of a supportive community of fellow travelers as we do the alchemical work together of transforming fear into freedom and pain into power. The course is oriented around 4 powerful goddesses of the Egyptian tradition, each one of them corresponding to one of the alchemical elements of earth, water, fire, and air. So come with me on this journey through time as we reclaim and rekindle what we came here to do eons ago. I'll see you in the course.